The first activity I want you to try is not really an activity at all. It's just to get used to seeing different things while keeping the mantra going. And so what we talked about in the last video about telling yourself what you're doing, that doesn't, it's not possible to do it right here, not until the next lesson. So what I want you to do is sit in a chair in your living room, for example, and keep your mantra going, and you just slowly look around on all the different things and objects, and if you have pets there, look at the pets. And you will, this is a lesson in stopping reflex thoughts or not getting distracted by reflex thoughts. We touched on this in the first beginner section, where you were gonna sit in a chair and look, but then I just wanted you to simply have the eyes open. Now I want you to actively look at each and every object slowly, glide from one object to the next. Rest your eyes on each and every object, and each and every object will reflexively create thoughts in you, because you have memories connected to every object. You have associations connected to all of them. You have feelings, meanings about them. Everything might pop up, especially when you're trying to sit still and just be aware. So while you glide your eyes around the living room and all the things in it, you keep your mantra going. And every reflex thought that appears, you acknowledge it. It exists, but don't grab it. You just let it float off. So as soon as it comes, you see it and you continue your mantra. And if you want, you can also say to yourself, I'm sitting in a chair. Since you're not moving, there's not too much to say about it, but you can say, I'm sitting in the chair. I'm meditating. And then continue your mantra. And I want you to do this for 5 minutes, and then 10 minutes, and 15 minutes. Spread out over a few days, or all in the same day. But I want you to actually accomplish each and every one of those time bits. So don't move on to 10 minutes until you're able to sit for 5 minutes. And watch everything and not let it distract you. Keep being aware of the mantra here and now. Keep being silent. Do not get pushed over by the thoughts. Just let them move. So, good luck, and come back for the next video when you're ready.